Ladies and gentlemen, first cicada that I've seen. Look at that. First cicada of the year, or this season or whatever. It is gonna get loud, ladies and gentlemen. It just came out and wings are still dry. Isn't that cool? Yeah, I saw it. It was right over there. I was checking on the goats. First cicada. Right on. They're gonna be everywhere. All right, it's cicada time, boys and girls. Look, the rain. I just set this tent up and it's collecting water because I didn't do the angle properly. But we're rocking it. And cicada time, babies. Woo woo.